All right, let's go back to Hannah, Skye and the Storm Alert Center. And Hannah, you're all in your orange today, talking about that fall foliage that's expected next week.
Yes, Latrice. Hopefully we'll start to see them pop just a little bit more. So this is our week out forecast for the fall foliage. So it's showing that we might see a little bit of that moderate, maybe to high color. I'm having a little hard time differentiating between the two over there, but overall we should start to see those colors beginning to pop just a little bit more. That would be so nice. Hopefully it's not too brown, just because we've been in those drought conditions. Not severe, but still we have been under moderate drought conditions for some time for the majority of our viewing area. So some rain would be nice, but not exactly likely. Normally our average precipitation we see around this time of year, like I've been mentioning the past couple of days, is around 3.5 inches of rain. We have only had 0.04 inches of rain so far, which has us in the running for the driest October since 1879. So that's kind of crazy. And over the next couple of days, specifically tomorrow, we are going to be borderline near record temperatures, and then we'll slowly begin to drop off a little bit. But I think, you know, the dryness and certainly the temperatures being quite warm for this time of year will impact our fall colors. Hopefully not too much. I'm not an expert on the fall colors in those trees, but hopefully we'll start to see that begin to even on out. Now, taking a look at our temperatures versus averages, we slowly begin to dip down a little bit closer to our average Sunday and Monday, and then we rise back up, mostly seeing some areas up to 10 degrees warmer than the average for this time of year. Precipitation trends starting to show that over the next 6 to 10 days, we could start seeing more average precipitation trends, which would be great news for our drought conditions. And hopefully November we'll start to see a little bit more of that rain work its way on through. So high temperatures around the board today. We're looking at around 80 degrees here in Chattanooga. Again, that cold front moved through and lowered our highs just a little bit. 77 in Dayton, 81 in Calhoun, 76 in Blue Ridge, 82 degrees in Scottsboro. We're looking at clear, beautiful conditions once again with those lower dew points and those light wind gusts. Going to feel absolutely phenomenal today. Heading into tonight, we're looking at a low of 50 degrees again. Not too chilly, maybe with a little bit of a breeze. You might need a jacket, but just looking at those beautiful conditions for the next couple of days, even though we're going to begin to rise in temperatures tomorrow with a high expected of 83 degrees. So about what we saw yesterday. Another warm and sunny day, maybe a little bit less of that wind, but just lots and lots of sunshine. Now looking at our low temperatures heading into tonight, we're looking at that lows of around 50, some areas mostly staying in the upper 40s into the low 50s, looking at beautiful conditions. No rain chances in sight. High temperatures tomorrow around the board, looking again 83 in Chattanooga, up there staying in the lower 80s to the upper 70s. Muggy meter staying beautiful as we head into this week, rising a little bit as we head into the middle of next week though. And looking at your 7-day storm alert forecast, we are looking at beautiful conditions again, near record temperatures tomorrow. A very small chance of rain for Saturday, and then evening on out as we head into next week.